Yo, what is up, fellow gamers of the internet? Today I'm going to be building a church in the SMP. So, yeah. Okay, so let's just collect some wood real quick, and yeah, so it's gonna be a big day. Hopefully you guys can hear me. Yes, you can. Okay, die skeleton. You know. So let's just continue on. Let's go and get some wood. Okay, I don't know how am I gonna keep this entertaining? How am I gonna keep this entertaining? You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna call someone. Let's call Lockie. So what I want to do is I just want to spread the cause. I'm gonna bloody I don't know what I'm gonna do. But like I know there's a lot of jungle trees over there. Why did I have to land on... See, every single house is like 40 blocks in the air, and it's so annoying when you actually have to get to them. So when we're gonna build this church, I feel like I will build it right... Well, right here. Let's build it in between mine and Cheeto's house. Oh, come on! Why did I have to regen? What? Alright, this is the pit. Yeet. Alright. I could get another parrot. He got another parrot. We now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Where's Jimmy? Where's Jimmy? Oh no. Lucky.
What?
So, where's Jimmy?
What do you mean where's Jimmy?
I don't know where Jimmy is, and there's another blue parrot taking his place.
Give me a second.
Dos, tres, cuatro.
Dumb parrot.
Hey, Lockie, you might find that there's a church right next to our house.
Yeah, I'm trying to. So, Jack, get inside. Multiple trees. And there's another tree. I don't know why I checked the chest.
Jimmy!
Jimmy!
Where is Jimmy?
Jimmy! Who took Jimmy? He was our latest parrot. He was very hard to find. He wouldn't get tamed for some reason. feed him like 30 seeds, and now he's gone. I shall find who did this. Does everyone have an ender chest?
Okay, so we're back. I needed to. You're one of two suspects. It is in the new update. We're playing 1.16.4, so even if it was in the new update, yeah, good try. Nice try. And no, it would not be in the new update. They don't just change it. No one... What? Explain how I'm an idiot. No, it is not. You're trying to troll us and miserably failing.
Even if I believed you, Zach, I don't know how to make a cookie, so...
There.
Oh wait, I do know how to make a cookie, and I do have the ingredients.
There is an imposter parrot there. So I had a pretty intense stare down. So in a short time period, Jackson and Asher, they both decided to get a bunch of netherite.
Yeah, I believe that they definitely went for netherite. Definitely believe that.
But
I reckon Jackson was on.
we weren't on when the parrot died.
Was off.
We weren't on when the parrot died, Zach. We weren't on when the parrot died.
Yeah, but he's saying in your chat, it will say if the parrot died.
Yeah, we weren't on when the parrot died. It only says it when you're on.
Make my own gold.
Okay, so I don't know who took the parrot. Who do you think took the parrot?
I reckon Jackson, probably.
Alright. Let's get Jackson on here.
Yeah.
But we need to find out. No, we don't do that. That's not...
That would work though, for these ones.
Hold on. Lockie, there's one below here.
Let's take that then. Exactly why is there? So there's a failed nether portal underneath this one?
Yeah. Okay, so someone took our parrot.
Okay.
And not to be rude or anything, but you're the main suspect now.
Why?
Because...
Why am I?
Lucky? You seem to cause the most chaos.
What do you mean? What have I done?
You've stolen a bunch of stuff.
I wouldn't take your parrot stuff.
Well,
I have no use for taking one of your parents. Why would I?
so maybe hold us ransom. And there's an imposter parrot here.
Wait, hold on. I'm getting on the SMP.
There's an imposter.
What happened, Owen?
Oh, hello, Floppo. Someone took our parrot.
1.16.5 is out, by the way.
Yeah, Lockie's on 1.16.5.
Hold on, I'm joining.
Is that the cave up there?
Why is this?
Is that the
Hold on. Wait, so what's the imposter parrot?
It's a blue parrot instead of a bluish green one.
Jackson.
Come to the house.
Okay.
Come into our house.
Jackson, can I speak to you in private, please?
Huh?
Can I speak to you in private about the sleepover?
Sure.
Not right now.
Get in one of the VC. Hold on.
Not right now.
Lobby.
Get in the. Nah, hold on, just 1 second. Guys, can you please not talk much? Okay. Hold on. I'll do it in a second. I'm just going into Minecraft.
Why did I join out the other one, the one outside Ash's house?
I don't know. It just happens. It's what happened to me. You come out.
So,
Oh, and we need
Actually, we need to tell you something. We do remember something.
what?
So Ash.
We did remember Asher saying something about a parrot.
What? What
Jackson
was it?
did a live stream on Twitch.
He said I just killed a parrot or something.
Yeah.
What parrot
The
was
guy
it?
you're trying to hit on.
I'm not sure. He just said I just killed a parrot like the other day.
He told us not to tell anyone.
Yeah.
But we were friends since we were friends with Tasha. We were trying to cover it up.
Why is there a massive cross?
It's a church.
Hun?
It's a church.
You just killed one of
yeah.
the ones that-
We think Asher.
No, I didn't.
We think Asher might have killed your parrot.
Yeah.
Jackson was doing a test thing on.
Yeah, but you did
about
kill one of those
Jackson was doing a
parrots.
test no mic thing on Twitch, and I was watching this.
Jackson.
And it just said parrot was killed by
Jackson?
Reggie and CTP.
It doesn't have a parrot pop-up message, Tom.
Mine did, but I know it's yours. We just think Asher might have killed yours.
It doesn't have pop-up messages when you kill animals.
Oh, that might be only for Bedrock, but we think Asher might have killed your parrot.
Look, he did actually mention something to me about killing a parrot. I'm not sure if it was your parrot or not.
He said not to tell anyone. Sounds kind of suspicious.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, but since we were friends with Asher, we were trying to cover it up.
And there was an imposter parrot right here. It was a blue one.
Why are all the Where did all the parrots go?
We put him into a parrot room instead of, you know, like that one.
What color was the imposter parrot?
Yeah, it was a blue one. Like it was a
Is
dark
it
blue.
still here?
No, it's not. This is my parrot name. I named him Oscar. And the regular parrot was like a bluish green one with some yellow tints and a grey one.
Back for you.
Where's the parrot room?
Okay, so come in here. All right, so this is the parrot room. This is the Jackson.
Yes, I'm coming.
Can I have it now? Can I please have it now?
I Lucky. Do you give me permission
In here.
to show him the parrot room?
Oh, you've hidden the parrots in secret so nobody can take them.
Yeah, I'm gonna. Yeah,
Yeah, maybe don't tell Asher about this.
it's kind of like a light bluish one.
What? Wait, Jackson, what color did Asher say?
There's nothing here. I haven't put anything in these rooms.
Did Asher say what color the parrot was? Jackson, did Asher say what color the parrot was?
Nah. He just said something about a parrot. He said, I just killed a parrot by accident.
It's not enough proof that it is Asher, though.
Yeah.
How do I know it's not you? How do I know it's not you, Jackson?
Why would I kill them?
I don't know.
What reason would I have to kill them?
Ransom, other things, other reasons, maybe revenge.
Why would I want to do that, though?
Owen. Asher could have killed them because he was mad about the end chest.
The ender
Have
chest.
you made a video about this?
The ender chest. I'm recording a video right now.
You are?
Yeah.
Guys, can you not talk about... Guys.
It's not enough proof that it is Asher.
The ender chest thing. Why would he be mad about the ender chest thing? That happened weeks ago. Well, yeah, you're not on the SMP.
Yeah. Because he has a Chromebook.
Well, who do you think? Okay, so
Jackson, did you kill the parrot?
No, I wouldn't kill the parrot. I have no reason to.
well then the only two suspects to kill the parrot would be Shiro and Asher.
Asher, did you kill the parrot?
Asher's not here, and also
That's kind of stuff.
Lucky's streaming. So
Also, guys, I'm talking to Asher today about everything. I'm gonna ask him why he blocked you and Jackson. Okay?
okay.
What did you say?
Well, he actually unblocked me, so
Oh, I'm still blocked.
Hey, Bobby. Bobby,
so. Well, who took the parrot then?
I don't know. We need to figure this out.
I'll go through all the videos with the parrots in them.
It's like
I feel like we should make some kind of court for this whole thing. And this can be the major turning point.
yeah.
Like, if you know what I mean.
Lucky's also streaming right now, so
Oh, well, how many people are watching?
not many.
Two.
One of them.
I'm one of them as well, so
I might stream as well, actually.
I might not stream as well, actually.
Flopper, you need to record more videos.
That's kind of drinking. Also, we have a QWERT game channel with no uploads. Am I still on 100 subs? I better be. If I'm not, I'm gonna be pissed. Honestly.
We need to find out who took the parrot.
Wait, guys. I could be the helper. I could help you with ideas for the SMP.
I have a parrot.
What does it look? Can I see the parrot?
Yeah, it's up here.
That's your stream. Jackson, show us your stream on Discord.
I have a parrot over here. How do you get them? Yeah. I do have a parrot.
Jackson,
It's not
can you
yours,
show us
though.
your stream on
Let me
Discord,
see the
please?
parrot. Let's see the parrot right here.
It's red.
Where'd it go?
Good idea.
Jackson, can you put
Okay,
the
so-
stream on Discord?
Okay, so no, it's not.
It's not our parrot.
Yeah, that's my one.
Yeah.
I got it the other day.
Okay.
Yeah.
Bro.
Not our parrot.
Come
Oh
here.
yeah, there we go.
It's flying away.
Kelly,
It doesn't love me.
Kelly, look at my
I'm just gonna.
Oh, it teleported down to you, and I think it teleported for you to die.
Yeah, it teleported and then you jumped.
Oh, is it dead now?
Like, no, it's not.
No,
It what?
teleporting around. There it is.
Hello.
How do you get them to sit on your shoulder?
You jump on them.
And it'll be on your shoulder.
You
Huh?
jump on them.
Stand it up. And now it's on
Yeah,
your
I have a parrot on my shoulder.
And then he immediately went off your shoulder.
If you jump, it goes off your shoulder. It's trying to get away.
Yeah, you can't jump when you have a parrot. No.
Can you sprint?
Yeah, you can sprint.
Yeah, you can sprint as much as you want.
Wait, what's up, Jackson?
Yeah.
Can you please stream on Discord or whatever thing so I can see your screen?
finally the skin
Where'd it
worked.
go? Oh, I went downstairs.
Jackson, the skin worked. Jackson.
Okay, everyone show. Okay, Jackson, I want you to show your previous game chat.
Jackson, look at my skin.
My previous what?
Your
Kelly.
game chat.
Kelly, look.
Oh, Owen.
What do you mean by that?
Look. Do you notice the difference?
Yes.
Owen.
Oh,
I'm gonna Jackson's
No.
house to borrow for
no,
sleep over, so
I've
I'll
got
be able to
two.
learn the,
It's two skins in one.
What do you mean by that?
I mean, it's two skins.
Okay, Jackson, I want you to go to Parrot.
Jackson, look. I've got two skins in one.
Okay, can you tell your brother to please shush?
Jackson,
Can you please shut up?
I want to show you.
Tell him I'm recording and someone else is streaming.
Owen's recording and someone else is streaming.
Owen.
Yeah?
Can join the SMP tomorrow, so I'm going to Jackson's house tomorrow.
Jackson, can I
Okay,
please show you?
so... Okay, so Jackson, show your screen, and I want you to go to statistics, and I want you to scroll down in mobs.
Jackson, stream on
What?
Discord so I can see. I need to see this.
Stream on Discord and
Where's statistics again? Wait, here.
and show all the mobs. Show mobs, and I want to see all of it.
Where's mobs?
Okay, can you share your screen, please?
Where's mobs?
It's oh my god! It's at the bottom. It's at the bottom right. When you click this, when you click statistics.
Oh.
Okay, share your screen now. Share your screen. Share your screen. Jackson,
Yeah?
share your screen. Okay.
I am.
Now I want you to scroll down. Okay.
Yeah?
Okay.
Where do you
Okay,
want me to go?
Scroll up, scroll up. Scroll up.
It's a parrot.
Parrot. You've killed 3 parrots.
Yes, I have killed 3 parrots.
Lol.
Lucky.
Go away.
Jackson has killed 3 parrots.
How many parrots?
None of them were your parrots. I've just killed parrots when I've come across them. Before, like, early on.
It's kind of sus, not gonna lie.
I haven't killed any of your parrots.
Lucky? What do you think of this situation?
I believe Jackson. I believe Jackson. Wait, Jackson, can you keep on sharing your screen, please? Can you keep on
Where'd
sharing
it go?
your screen?
My parrots run away.
Ran. Flew.
I just found a new parrot.
Bobby! Bobby!
Found a new cyan parrot. You are now the new.
Can you TP?
Whoa.
Can you TP me to Boltbot, please? Jackson. TP me to
Oh
Boltbot.
my god. Stop.
I accidentally hit my parrot, no!
You can't hit
When I
your
was trying
parrot.
to kill the... Is it gone?
You can't
Is
hit
it
your.
dead?
You can't hit your parrot.
Yeah, you can.
You can.
You can.
I was trying to kill the... Oh, there it is. Eat food.
What's his name?
Okay.
Come on, bro. We need to go in with the parrots. This is new Jimmy.
Okay, he's the exact color. So.
What's going on?
Even nodded.
Oh yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna go kill the
What?
monster.
Nothing.
But
Oh,
the-
I was just, like,
But the
standing
person who
there
still
looking.
killed Jimmy will still be charged.
Where's the imposter?
I think you killed it earlier.
This game has got something wrong with it.
No, I didn't kill it earlier. Someone killed the imposter. Where did he spawn?
Guys, I know who killed the parrot.
Who?
It was not Jackson. For that, because I was talking to him for like half the day.
Yeah?
And he never mentioned once about a parrot.
Yeah?
Yeah, that's it.
So, you don't know who killed the parrot?
No.
So it's not Jackson.
It's not Jackson.
And it's not Cheeto, because I know it's not him. So that only leaves... It only leaves Asher.
Well, we got a new parrot anyway.
No, but the person still needs to be charged.
Yeah.
That only leaves Asher, though. So...
He gave a pretty compelling case.
Who?
Asher. That it wasn't him. He gave a pretty compelling case.
Well, then who killed the parrot?
No idea.
Well, for now, we'll leave it at no one killed the parrot.
It is a mystery.
Well, thank you all so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe. Subscribe to
Okay,
Lucky's.
bye. Everyone, please like my videos and
And like my
subscribe
videos,
if you want. Like if you feel like it. Subscribe if you want. I need likes and subscribers, please.
yeah. And me. Felicity, turn that down.
So we'll see you all next time. Goodbye.